Okay, guys, we're going to look at these unit rate problems today that you have on the formative. I'm just going to do a couple for you, and then this is what I'll go over today in the live lesson too. So here we have this problem. It says Taryn and Alistair both mowed lawns. Each charge a flat fee to mow a lawn. The table shows the number of lawns mowed in the past week, the time spent mowing lawns, and the money earned. So your first question asks you in the formative, how much do Taryn and Alistair each charge to mow one lawn? And you're to use WKU. Well, here we're looking at the number of lawns and the money earned, because we're talking about money, not time in this problem. So my words are going to be dollars per lawn. What do I know? Well, I know Taryn charges $112.50 to mow 9 lawns. What am I trying to figure out? I'm trying to figure out how much she charges for one. So, how do I get from 9 to 1? I'm going to divide by 9. If I divide my denominator by 9, I need to divide my numerator by 9. So this is where you'll take your calculator. You'll punch in $112.50 divided by 9, and you're going to get $12.50. So Taryn, I think I'll go right here beside her. She charges $12.50 per lawn. Okay? So then I need to figure out Alistair. Well, my words are the same, dollars to lawn. Alistair charges $122.50, and he mows 7 lawns. We need to figure out how much he charges for one. So how do I get from 7 to 1? I divide by 7. Therefore, I have to divide my denominator by 7. So I take 122.5 divided by 7, and I get $17.50. So Alistair charges $17.50 for each lawn. The next question asks who earns more per hour. Well, you're going to do the same thing with WKU, but instead of it being dollars per lawn, it's going to be time per lawn. And you would set it up with that and then figure out the unit rate. Same way. Okay? So then you would have time per lawn would be your W. And then there's a couple other follow-up questions there that you're going to need to figure out. Okay, and it's going to take you some work to do that, so make sure you show all your work and write that down. Here we have another one. Abby can buy an 8-pound bag of dog food for $7.40, or a 4-pound bag of the same dog food for $5.38. Which is the better buy? Well, what's important here is 8 pounds for $7.40, or 4 pounds for $5.38. So we're going to set it up with WKU. So dollars per bag is what I'm trying to figure out here. Or actually, it's per pound. Dollars per pound. So I know that she spends $7.40 for 8 pounds, and I'm going to try to figure out how much that is for 1 pound. Well, how do I get from 8 to 1? I need to divide by 8. Therefore, I have to divide my denominator by 8. So I'm going to take $7.40, divide it by 8, and this one, it costs 0.925, which is rounds to 93 cents per pound. Okay, so now we're going to figure out the other bag. So again, it's dollars per pound. What do I know? I know it costs $5.38 for 4 pounds. And then I'm trying to figure out how much is it for 1 pound. So I'm going to divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then I need to divide $5.38 by 4. And I'll get 1.38 3, 4, 5. I need to round to my nearest hundredths. So this is $1.35 per pound. So the better buy is definitely the 8-pound bag. 8 pounds for $7.40 is better. Okay, because it's cheaper per pound. Okay. That's all I have for today for your live lesson video. Oh, I lied. Sorry, there's one more. Here we go. It's another better buy question. So this is going to be the same thing. You're going to set up a WKU, and you're going to do exactly the same thing you just did with the better buy for the dog food. Is the same thing that you would do for the crayons. So this question is exactly the same as that last question. Okay. Probably question 3 is probably the hardest one. It talks about Alistair and Taryn, and if they each one earn $735, how many additional hours will they have to spend mowing lawns? So you will then have to take your hourly rate, and you'll have to take the $735 and divide it by your hourly rate to figure it out for each one, to see who has to work longer. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Please remember to use WKU and show all of your work. Remember, you may use a calculator. Okay, guys, thanks.